At the end of the hackathon, each team is eligible to win one of the following awards: a Judge's Choice Award, a Viewer's Choice Award, and an HPC in the City Impact Award. I want you to note that there are no numbers in front of the awards. This is because one is not more significant than the other. In fact, the prize you can win is exactly the same for all three awards. It is important to know also that you cannot win them all. We don't want to create a situation where one team is running away with all the prizes and everyone else is disappointed. After all, this is supposed to be a fun event as well as a competitive one. So let me talk a little bit about how these different awards actually work. The first one is the Judge's Choice Award. We have assembled a team of judges and each one can give a maximum of 100 points per team. They will assess your project based on 3 criteria. The first criterion is the creativity of execution, or the wow effect. Here the judges will ask themselves how creative the execution of your project was and if you came up with new use cases, big opportunities or surprises. For this criterion you can earn up to 20 points. The second criterion is UX, or polish. Here the judges will look at the design of your project and they will ask themselves, is it actually easy to understand and to use, and did you put some thought into the user experience? For this criterion you can earn up to 10 points. The third criterion is the technical complexity of the project. Here the judges will look at how technically impressive your hack was and they will ask themselves if the technical problem that you tackled was actually difficult and if the technology you used made them go wow. For this criterion you also can earn up to 10 points. The fourth criterion is collaboration. Here the judges will look at how well you worked together as a team. This criterion is worth up to 20 points. The fifth criterion is the presentation. At the end of the hackathon, you will be asked to give a presentation about your project. And the judges here will look at if you presented a functioning solution, if you stayed within the time limit of your presentation, very important, and if you were able to communicate your project and its values well. This criterion is worth up to 20 points. And then the final criterion is very simple. It's just, did you complete the challenge that you set yourself? Did you manage to do what you said you would do? Did you achieve your goals? This criterion is also worth up to 20 points. Now to the second award, which is the Viewer's Choice Award. This is very much straightforward. At the end of the hackathon, there will be a presentation session, as mentioned before. During that session, you will not only present your project to us, the other teams and the mentors, but also to other people that might want to watch the stream, like for example your friends and family, HPC community members, sponsors or conference participants. During this session, we will share a link to a form where anyone can vote for their favorite team. At the end, we will count the votes and the team with the most votes wins. Easy, right? And then for the Supercomputing Hackathon, we always have one special HPC in the City Impact Award. As you might have seen in the briefs and the discussions that we had, this hackathon is under the banner of HPC in the City Dallas. So we will also hand out an award to the team that creates something that is most valuable to the city of Dallas and the people that live there. So when you're planning your projects, when you're thinking about what to do, also keep this aspect a little bit in mind. Before ending the presentation, I also wanted to let you into a little secret. This is the I don't know how manyth hackathon that we have done over the past years, more than 10 for sure. And most of the staff and mentors have been with us for a long time. So if you want a good chance at winning, I would suggest to listen to them. They have seen stuff and they know things, just saying. And with that being said, good luck to you all and most of all, have some fun.